Today's topic is transport and communication. So let's subscribe this channel first. Transport and communication are two of the most important systems in modern society. They connect people, places, goods, and ideas across different regions of the world. Transport refers to the movement of people, goods, and services from one place to another. Communication refers to the transfer of information, messages, and ideas between individuals or groups. In the past, people depended on simple forms of transport like walking, animal carts, or boats. Communication was also slow because messages were sent through letters or messengers. However, with the development of technology, both transport and communication systems have improved significantly. Today, we have fast trains, airplanes, highways, satellites, and the internet. The following representation we will explain you one by one. The road transport connecting people. The first visual shows a crowded road with buses, cars, and motorcycles. This image represents road transport, which is the most widely used means of transportation. Roads connect villages, towns, and cities. People use roads daily for commuting to work, schools, and markets. Road transport is flexible because vehicles can travel directly to many places. Railways connecting distant regions. The second visual shows a train passing through mountains. Railways are important for transporting passengers and heavy goods across long distances. Trains are more economical than road transport for carrying large quantities of goods such as coal, minerals, and agricultural products. Number 3 is sea transport and globe transport. The third visual shows a large cargo ship moving across the ocean. Sea transport plays a major role in international trade. Ships can carry large amounts of goods such as oil, machinery, vehicles, and food products between the countries. Number 4 is air transport and saving time. This visual shows an airplane flying between two cities. Air transport is the fastest means of transportation. It is mainly used for long distance travel and for transporting value or urgent goods. Pipeline transport. The fifth visual shows an underground pipeline carrying oil. Pipelines are used to transport liquids and gases such as petroleum, natural gas, and water. They are considered safe and efficient for transporting energy resources. Smartphone communication. This visual shows a student sending a message through a smartphone. Mobile phone allows people to communicate instantly with anyone in the world through calls, text, and messaging apps. Satellite communication. The cartoon of a satellite orbiting the Earth represents satellite communication. Satellites help transmit television signals, internet data, and weather information across large distances. Transport of goods by truck. This visual shows a truck delivering goods to market. Transport systems help move products from producers to consumers, which supports trade and economic development. Video call communication. Two people talking through a video call represent modern communication technology. Video calls help people communicate face to face even when they are in different countries. Busy railway station. This cartoon shows a railway station full of passengers. Railway stations are important centers where people start or end their journeys. Rural to urban transport. A farmer sending vegetables to the city by truck represents the connection between rural and urban areas. Transport allows farmers to sell their products in city markets. Air cargo transport. This visual of goods being loaded into an airplane shows air cargo transportation. This method is used for transporting valuable goods quickly. Bicycle delivery. A cyclist delivering a parcel shows that even simple forms of transport are useful in small towns and villages. Undersea internet cables. The cartoon of cables under the sea represents submarine communication cables that carry internet data across the continents. Metro transport. The visual of a metro train traveling underground shows modern urban transport systems designed to reduce traffic congestion. Online education. A student attending an online class represents how communication technology supports learning and education. Postal services. The cartoon of a postal worker delivering letters represents traditional communication methods that are still important today. GPS navigation. A driver using a GPS map shows how technology helps people find directions and travel efficiently. Air rescue operations. A helicopter rescuing people during a flood represents the use of air transport in emergencies and disaster relief. News broadcasting. A reporter sending live updates shows how media communication spreads information quickly. School bus transport. A bus carrying students represents how transport helps children travel safely to school. Container ports. The visual of a busy port with containers shows how ports support international trade. Email communication. A person sending an email shows the importance of digital communication in modern business and education. Bridges and engineering. A train crossing a large bridge represents how engineering infrastructure supports transport networks. Navigation apps. Smartphone navigation apps help drivers choose faster routes and avoid traffic. Drone delivery. Delivery drones represent future technologies that may deliver packages quickly. Airports. Airports act as major transport hubs connecting cities and countries through air travel. Radio communication. Radio towers broadcast signals for news, music, and emergency alerts. Highways. Highways connect major cities and help transport goods quickly. Farmers using mobile phones. Farmers using phones to check market prices show how communication technology supports agriculture. GPS in ships. Ships using GPS system travel safely across the oceans. Modern train technology. Modern locomotives show the advancement of railway technology. E-commerce delivery. Courier workers delivering online orders shows the connection between transport and digital commerce. Satellite dish. Satellite dishes on homes receive television and internet signals. Family video calls. Video calls allow families living in different countries to stay connected. Metro stations. Crowded metro stations represent the importance of public transport in cities. Ships carrying cars. Cargo ships transporting vehicles represent international automobile trade. Journalism. Reporters spreading news show the role of communication in society. Railway maps. Railway maps help travelers understand the routes and the connections. Delivery vans. Delivery vans bringing packages to homes represent the importance of logistics. Online ticket booking. Digital systems allow people to book train and flight tickets easily. Public bus systems. Public buses reduce traffic congestion and pollution. Ports as trade centers. Ports allow countries to import and export goods. Online learning platforms. Communication technologies allow students to study remotely. Pilots. Pilots operating airplanes shows the importance of trained professionals in aviation. Railway maintenance. Workers repairing railway tracks maintain transport safely. Instant messaging. Text messages allow quick communication between individuals. Bridges connecting cities. Bridges connect regions separated by rivers and valleys. Metro maps. Metro maps help people navigate complex city transport networks. Weather satellites. Satellites collect weather data and help predict the storms. Online business meetings. Video conferencing allows businesses to communicate globally. Freight trains. Freight trains transport heavy goods across the long distances. GPS for travelers. Travelers use GPS technology to explore new places. Postal deliveries in villages. Postal vans delivering letters in rural areas shows the communication reaching remote places. Toll highways. Toll roads help maintain high quality highways. Ocean shipping routes. Sea routes connect continents and support global trade. Mobile journalism. Journalists using smartphones show how technology has transformed media. Rush hour metro. Rush hour metro trains highlight the importance of efficient public transport. Drone traffic monitoring. Drones monitoring traffic shows the use of advanced technology in transport management. Global transport network. The final visual shows a world map connected by transport routes. It represents how transport and communication systems connect the entire world socially, economically, and culturally. So, the transport and communication systems are essential for the development of modern societies. They help people travel, exchange food, goods, and share information across the world. Efficient transport networks support trade, tourism, and economic growth, while communication technologies connect individuals and communities globally. With the advancement of technology, these systems continue to improve. High-speed trains, smart highways, satellites, and digital communication platforms are transforming the way people interact and conduct business. In the future, innovations such as drone delivery, automated vehicles, and advanced satellite networks will further strengthen the global connectivity. Thus, transport and communication plays a vital role in shaping the modern world by connecting people, places, and the opportunities. So for the next session, please stay tuned and subscribe this channel.